Introduction to new Putaway workflow. To make your experience better, Unicommerce has made a few changes in the Putaway process. Put at shelf, item level scanning. As you can see, a purchase order has been created, for which you will create the GRN. Once the GRN is created and the items are scanned, click on the print button to get the item barcodes. Now, complete the GRN and the quality check. Once it is completed, create Putaway GRN item and scan the GRN code. Now select the line items that you wish to put on the shelf. Click on Add to Putaway. Click on Create Putaway list. Make sure that the scanning configuration is set to each. Now click on Put at Shelf. Scan the shelf code on which you wish to put the items. Now, scan the item barcode for each and every item. Once all the items are scanned, the Putaway will be automatically completed. Put at shelf item level scanning bulk workflow. Once the GRN is completed, create Putaway GRN item and scan the GRN code. Now, select the line items that you wish to put on the shelf. Click on Add to Putaway. Click on Create Putaway list. Make sure that the scanning configuration is set to bulk. Now, click on Update Shelf. The system will show all the quantities and suggest a shelf for the inventory to be kept in. If you wish to put any of the quantities to a different shelf, you may click on Add Row. Mention the shelf code on which you wish to add the quantities and scan the item barcode for the same. As you may see, there is a change in the quantities under both the shelves. Click on Update. Now, click on Complete Putaway to complete the Putaway process. Thank you for watching.